Yo, welcome back guys. My name is Jason from Strive Visuals, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a glowing opium effect in After Effects. Starting off, I'm gonna go over here, right click, go to new, and create a first adjustment layer. I'm gonna add our first effect, which is gonna be echo, and it's basically just gonna cause kind of like a lagging effect. Then I'm going to echo time, and I'm actually gonna put it to 0.067. So once you add that, I'm gonna close this out right here. And then for the next effect we're gonna add is S_etching. Gonna drag it in right here. You wanna go here to your wave amp right here, and I'm gonna put it to 0.990. Then I go to wave frequency. I'm gonna put it to 3.660. I'm gonna go to warp amp, and then I'm gonna put it to 1.85. Then I'm gonna go to warp smooth. I'm gonna put it to 19.76. Then I'm gonna close it out. Once after that, I'm gonna add hue saturation, drag it in right there, and I'm actually gonna go to colorize and turn this on. So I'm gonna go to my colorize hue and just put it to 171, and it's gonna create this nice blue tint right here. If you don't like the blue tint, you can go ahead and just mess around with it. Right here I have like a green, kind of yellowish. I have like more red, a pink, and I'm just gonna bring up our saturation by 1. So I'm gonna put it to 26. Then I'm close out my menu right here. Then I'm actually gonna add a glow effect. It's gonna start actually making our hue and saturation effect right here glow more. So it's a bit more harsh, but to really get rid of that harshness effect, I'm actually gonna go to our threshold and lower it down to 45. And to the spots where you don't want it really harsh, just bring up a radius, and helps kind of smoothen out that glow, and it pushes it to different areas so it's not focused on one spot. I'm gonna save our project, and apart from that, that's how you create a glowing opium effect in After Effects. If you did like this video, or you just learned something new, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. And apart from that guys, keep on working hard, keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.